Deskpro Help Desk is one of the top contenders in the help desk software space. But before you decide to buy, there are a few important things you need to know. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to consider when choosing Deskpro and how it compares to other popular solutions on the market. First, Deskpro offers a solid range of features that you can use for customer support, including ticket management, email integrations, and live chat. However, when comparing it to competitors like Zendesk, you'll find that Deskpro has a more customizable interface. You get more control over how your system looks and operates, which is perfect if you need something tailored to your business. Next thing to consider is pricing. Deskpro's pricing is more affordable compared to other help desk platforms, especially when you scale up. With its tiered plans, you can choose what fits your needs, but unlike Zendesk or Freshdesk, which can quickly add up, Deskpro's pricing structure remains relatively competitive. The third thing to know is its multi-channel support. Deskpro allows you to manage customer queries across various channels: emails, chat, social media, and even phone. While other software, like Freshdesk, also provides this, Deskpro offers more integration options, which makes it easier to connect with third-party apps and tools. Now let's talk about the user interface. While it's very functional, it can be a little more complicated than some of its competitors. Deskpro offers a lot of customization, but the learning curve can be steep for those who want something more intuitive, like Zendesk or Intercom, which often have more user-friendly interfaces. The fifth thing is the automation options. Deskpro provides robust automation features like automatic ticket assignment, canned responses, and workflows. However, while Zendesk offers similar features, Deskpro's automation capabilities are considered slightly more advanced, which can be a great plus for businesses with complex support processes. The sixth thing is reporting and analytics. Deskpro offers real-time data and a wide range of reports, but compared to some of its competitors, like Freshdesk or Zohodesk, it may lack some advanced analytics features. If deep, customizable reporting is a must-have, you might need to look for add-ons or third-party integrations. Next, let's talk about scalability. Deskpro is known for scaling well with your business. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, the platform is flexible and can grow as your support needs expand. This makes it a great option if you plan on expanding your customer support team in the future. The eighth thing is the level of customer support Deskpro offers. While Deskpro does provide email, phone, and chat support, there have been reports of delays in response times. If customer support response time is critical for your business, you may want to consider solutions like Zendesk, which has a larger support team. The ninth thing is integrations. Deskpro supports a wide variety of integrations, but its selection is not as extensive as some competitors, like Freshdesk or Zendesk. So if you rely heavily on third-party integrations, you might find that Deskpro's ecosystem feels a bit limited. The 10th thing to know is that Deskpro is ideal for IT teams, especially those needing asset management features. Unlike Zendesk or Intercom, Deskpro provides more in-depth asset tracking, making it a great choice for teams managing both customer queries and tech infrastructure. Next, Deskpro's security measures are robust. The software includes SSL encryption and GDPR-compliant features, which makes it a good choice for companies with strict data privacy needs. While competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk also prioritize security, Deskpro is especially great if your business operates in highly regulated industries. Finally, Deskpro offers a self-hosted version for teams that want complete control over their data. This option isn't available with every help desk solution and can be a game changer for companies with strict data privacy requirements. However, keep in mind that the self-hosted option requires technical expertise and may not be as easy to manage as a cloud-based solution. In conclusion, Deskpro Help Desk is a solid choice if you're looking for a customizable, scalable solution with great multi-channel support and automation. But if you want something with a more user-friendly interface and better reporting features, we recommend checking out our top alternative, which offers a free trial so you can see for yourself how it compares.